What's up? I'm Rudy and today I'm gonna teach you how to create pie chart with RTMKit. First, you need to install RTMKit first in your plugin add-on for Elementor, and when you scroll down in RTMKit General, you will find pie chart. You can drag and drop pie chart in container that you already built. Here's the pie chart. You can change the pie in donut. You can change it, the data in here, and the color, and the border as well, and when your hover is, and here's the title for the description. You can show the title and the description as well, and here's the style. You can make it bigger, and you can give spacing. You can give a border like this one, and you can show legend or not showing it. You can turn it off, the legend, and for the title description you can give space in here like 20, and padding as well. Yeah, and you can change it again and with pie. Yeah, here's the pie chart that you can use for your infographic in your web design. Thank you.